Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what's going on with Matic at the, VeChain at the moment. And I told you yesterday in my video that we were creating something like a downwards movement, and I gave you this target over here at 0.03309. Okay, that was the downwards target because that's the next support. It might come and fall around, right over here, maybe somewhere, but this is where the solid support is, exactly at that level. Okay, so even if you take the Fibonacci, and try to judge this move right over here, you can see the 1.272 Fibonacci level is right over where the red line is. Okay, so this is where the solid Fibonacci support is. Also, some of the price action support is right over here. Okay. Now we can see the price has been falling due to Bitcoin breaking the support levels. Now if you go to the 1 hourly chart, and you can see clearly that, you know, we had this, where was it? Where we had this support, okay? This was the support that it was trying to push the price upwards, but it failed because, when the price came down, it tried to make a look at this, a W bottom, W pattern, okay? But the price failed to break this area. Now we can just put it like that, okay? You can also see this as a symmetrical triangle, and it's a continuation pattern towards the downside, okay? It tried to break this, but it failed and it made a bearish pattern. You could also see this as a, I mean, there are many different patterns within patterns where you can just judge the move that can, come in the next segment. Okay, so you can see this, it made this bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and it failed to break this left shoulder. The right shoulder had this rejection here, and as soon as it broke this support, price came down. Okay, now if we never had this price action, look at, you can see this as a symmetrical triangle which is coming towards the downside. Okay, it's a continuation pattern. Okay, now it depends how you want to see this whole pattern. Okay, now it had a technical target towards the downside. This is the price of the measurement of the head, and then you can see the price is trying to come down to 0.04. Okay, now if you just take this target of the symmetrical triangle, you can see that they are very much very similar price targets they have. Okay, so it's basically the same thing, however you wanna look at this. Okay, but they're trying to come very close to this low. Okay, so once it breaks this low, further downside is coming. Let me just take this off. Okay, so now overall, I mean, we are in a downtrend. That's not a surprise for most of us, and we might see VeChain come very close to this price. Okay, and if even if it comes to this price, I think these are very great accumulation zones where the price can do, like that, and then it might create something like a reversal wave. Okay, and it might just play somewhere here. I mean, that's for the future. We can take a look at it once it breaks this white line. I have given you this white resistance line since we were, I think, over here somewhere. Okay, like how important and significant this white line is. And even if we look at the moving averages in the weekly, let's take a look at it in the weekly. You can see that as soon as we broke, I told you that this was the most important line for VeChain. Okay, you can see as soon as we broke, we are coming to the downside, and we had this support levels from here. Okay, and you can see support, support, support. As soon as we broke out, boom. So it's somewhat of a similar thing, but to the opposite direction. As soon as we broke this, Boom. Okay, that's what that means. Okay, so we just have to wait and see. I mean, the way it goes up, whenever you have this run-ups, it's the same way it comes down, okay? And you're gonna see similar patterns like these being formed right over here, but upside down, okay? So, I mean, not all the time, but most of the time that's the case, okay? So, and you can see all the price action is below these moving averages, which is really bearish. Okay, you want to see price action above these moving averages, which I can give you an example. Look at this, price action is above, and we have upside. It's up, we have upside. Okay, and then it falls as a support on the 55, and then above the 20 we go to the upside. Okay, so this is a key indication when you're going towards the upside. So when you're down, you might see downside. And look at this, okay? So this level over here, so we have this high over here, we have this support over here, so that's why this level will act as in support for VeChain, okay? Right over here. Even if I'm not saying it will break it, but if that happens, then you can expect VeChain to come right over here, again, hold support, okay? I'll tell you why. Okay, right over there. If Bitcoin goes to 20K, this is where VeChain can come, okay? So now look, another support we have, very strong support right over here. Okay, I'll draw it for you here, okay? So we have this support, this support, that support, this support. So a lot of support levels right over here, sorry, right over here, okay? Look at these supports, okay? So this is also a good support level, but I'm not saying it will come here. If 0.0330 holds the support, then yeah, we can try to consolidate in this area and try to move to the upside. And let's take a look at the monthly really quick. Yeah, monthly is not looking that great because we are below the 20 moving average. Okay, look at this. We were never below since what, 1st July, okay, of 2022, about 2 years. Okay, look at that. We were above it, consolidating. Eventually, we broke down. Okay, so we just have to wait and see where the support comes in, and then you will see a lot of accumulation being done with volume. Okay, you want to see volume come in. But yeah, that's it for VeChain. And you can see we are falling back to the support in the weekly. You can see we broke this support trend line in the RSI as well. Okay, so hopefully let's wait and see when it can have where it can find the support. Okay, at the moment it's coming down. Okay, and you had the technical target to the downside. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Like my video, subscribe to my channel if you want me to keep making these videos. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.